This flying robot transforms midair into a car. Real life Transformers by Caltech. Imagine a robot that doesn't just land but transforms midair, switching from flying to driving without skipping a beat. That's exactly what a team of engineers at Caltech has built with ATMO, a clever new robot that takes multitasking to a whole new altitude. Most flying robots touch down, catch their breath and slowly convert to ground mode, but not ATMO. It morphs in the air and rolls away like it's done it 100 times before. The magic lies in its design. 4 thrusters that double up as wheels and a single motor that flips its body from flight mode to drive mode. It's a bit like a Transformer, only this one doesn't need dramatic music or a blockbuster budget. But pulling off a mid-air morph isn't as simple as it looks. Complex aerodynamic forces kick in near the ground and the robot has to navigate its own turbulence like a flying Rubik's Cube with a mind of its own. To solve this, the team ran smoke and sensor tests that built an advanced control algorithm that predicts what's coming and adjusts in real time. The result? A robot that's agile, stable and ready for action. Whether it's navigating rough terrain or making your future packaged deliveries look a lot cooler. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.